what's up everyone? Good evening and welcome to the vlog. And for today's video, talking head video muna tayo. This one is special kasi may package tayo na dumating mula Paris, France. Siyempre, made possible ito because of my wife. So, thank you RB for supporting my cycling hobby. And siyempre sa mga kaibigan natin from Ate Dete Pasabay, Janice, Ai, and Thomas. So, mga kaibigan natin yan mula sa wedding industry. Yung Ate Dete Pasabay is matagal na nilang business ni Ai and Johnny. So, nagpupunta sila sa other countries and kung may pasabay, nagpo-post sila doon. Tapos, yun, kung gustong bumili or magpabili, yan. Isasabay na para pag uwi nila ng Pilipinas, dala na yung item. Isa special kasi nilahan tayo ni RB ng green jersey replica. So, yun na nga. So, eto na. Ipapakita na natin ang ating jersey na excited ako buksan. So, eto na siya, guys. Woohoo! Guys, grabe, sobra. Nung dumating tong package na to, guys, sobrang excited ako. Yan, guys, may Tour de France logo pa dito and yung mga brand na hindi ko sure kung brand to, guys. Skoda gumawa ng vlog, hindi nagre-research, and may etiketa pa dito, Tour de France. So this jersey is made by Santini. Ayan, Santini yung brand nasa likod. Santini 100% recycled. So buksan natin, guys. Yun, oh. So this is my first Santini jersey. I got a large size. Sa mga Rafa and Maap, actually XL yung mga race fit nila. Nakakatuwa. Santini Tour de France logo on the upper right. Skoda branding on both shoulders. And sa arm sleeve, Skoda din. I think breathable yung niya, guys, yung tela niya. And sa likod, Skoda, may France na flag dito. Hang tag. For the back, we got 3 back pockets here. Walang zipper, pero may reflector. Skoda branding on the side. That's on the right side and on the left side as well. So, buksan natin. Made in Italy, guys. You know. And Tour de France. Santini Tour de France. So, guys, suot na natin tong jersey na to para magkaalaman na. So, how's the fit? You like it? You like it? I like it. Ganda niya, guys. Sobrang breathable. Malambot niya sa manggas. Grabe, oh. Grabe. Sobrang pogi. Sobrang pogi, guys. Parang may plus 20 watts to sa FTP, Pwede na tayong maging Jasper Philipsen and Biniam Girmay. Yan. Joke lang, syempre. Pero guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko to. I can't wait na masuot siya sa ride. Hindi natin kinuha yung yellow jersey. Una dahil out of stock. And syempre, pag yellow, kailangan mabilis ka, guys. Hindi pwede mabagal-bagal ka sa yellow jersey. Salamat sa wife ko for supporting, for buying this for me. Again, at maraming salamat, Ate Dete Pasabay. So, lalagay natin yan dito, pop-up natin yung page nila. Sobrang nagustuhan ko, guys, in jersey. The best. Sobrang kilig na kilig ako. Talagang inaabangan ko tong package na to dumating. So, again, guys, maraming salamat kung umabot kayo sa dulo ng video na to. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Peace. guys.